Tasting with the Fam. Today we have my friend Sam.
Hello.
And Sam is from Lebanon, right? Okay. So this week we're gonna make hummus because I've never had that, and that's something that you all eat in your culture. So I wanted to have it. Brianna always eats it, and I always thought hummus was nasty, but now I want to taste it like freshly made. So hopefully I like it. We'll see.
Yeah. All right, let's begin. So first thing is we're gonna start off with our chickpeas. You could buy chickpeas from the store, 15 ounces. It's just one can. And then what I have inside is I already have one garlic clove prepared with 1/3 cup of water. So we're gonna put that into the food processor. And we eat hummus in Lebanon typically as like an appetizer or just with our meals. We like to dip everything in hummus.
See, told you it's a good dip. So is there like a big bowl of hummus at the table?
Always, yes, always. So, and everyone has their own style. Some people love garlic. So if you plan on kissing somebody, don't add too much garlic. But if you don't, add as much as you'd like to taste. So that's the first part of the dish. And then another part is the lemon. So I already squeezed just one lemon. That's all it really needs, depending on how much you're making. And put that in there.
Who taught you how to make hummus?
So my mom did. I feel like that's like a staple. So if you don't know how to make hummus, people are gonna be like,
What's wrong with you?
why don't you know? So that's the first dish I learned how to make. And now we have tahini. So tahini, it's just like, it's sesames. It's like a liquidated sesame paste. This is how it looks.
From like the seed?
Yeah.
Like sesame seed?
Exactly. Yeah, so it gives it a little tang, and we just add like 2 tablespoons of that.
Okay.
Don't have to go too much on the tahini because it has a really strong taste, but it's good.
So what type of hummus are we making today? Just like the generic regular type of hummus?
Exactly, yeah. We're just gonna do the original, plain and simple. You can, if you like there's other styles. You can add like a roasted pepper.
Yeah, that's the one I normally buy all the time, is a roasted red pepper hummus.
Yeah, it's really good, and you can do that. You can totally do that. It's very easy, like whatever you like. I've even seen people add like beets into it. You can get really creative with hummus, but this is just a classic one. And then depending on how salty you like your food, you can add, if you're my mom, you can add half a teaspoon, but if you don't, you can add 1/4 of a teaspoon. I'm just gonna put.
I like how you brought everything pre-measured.
She's so prepared.
Because I was like, we gotta. I suck at measuring.
It's the Libra.
I know, right? Mari knows.
We have to be super prepared, or we're very annoyed, and it's not fun.
I was expecting to like read instructions, be like, okay, so 2 teaspoons.
And then of course olive oil. We are gonna put some olive oil now, but then as well towards the end we will drizzle some. So I put about, you could just say 1/4. Helps it liquefy. But I like to add that all in, and then we're just gonna go ahead and. So yeah, we're gonna grind it. Is it plugged in?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, I put it on wrong.
So like that looks pretty smooth. All right. Ooh, smells really good.
So you like grind it for like a minute?
Yeah, I would say like once it looks like smooth. Okay, so nice and smooth. You can like taste it too.
So for the viewers, can you name some dishes hummus would be great for? Like what type of things can you dip into it? What can it be as a side dish?
Yeah, so like you could definitely use like pita bread. If you're like gluten free, you can do like carrots, veggies, like even like peppers. It's really good with veggies or pita chips. Typically with Lebanon, we eat it with like bread. When in doubt, we grab bread, eat it with it, or we like dip our chicken in it. So those are some like really simple ways. Like it's a great healthy snack. because you have all these like fresh ingredients,
Mhm.
and it's actually really
It smells good.
also cost efficient. I feel like most of these are like staples in your home for the most part, other than like chickpeas and tahini.
Now, how long does hummus last?
Oh, it's good. I would say for like a week or two.
Mm-hmm.
And when you make it fresh like this, maybe like max a week.
Okay.
But usually it's gone by a day. So we never have to worry about that.
So it's like a staple with every meal. You have to have hummus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
It's kind of like how some cultures are with their rice.
Mhm.
Yes, exactly. So this is where you can get crafty. I just like kind of make a little circle, and then I drizzle olive oil. That drizzle, we submerge our hummus in olive oil, and then here I'm gonna get a little bit crafty. I'll show you. I just dip the fork in olive oil. I'm gonna show you, like you could decorate it. Like that. Let me add more.
I would have fun with that part.
Or you could just sprinkle it if you're lazy. But yeah, that's how you make hummus.
And you just use regular paprika. You don't have to eat smoked. Okay.
Yeah, just regular paprika, and it's decorated pretty like that, and yeah. That's how you make hummus, and you
So now we're
can
gonna
try it.
taste it.
This bread isn't as fresh as it should be, but it's okay. Yeah, you just kind of get dirty and you just go in.
Dirty.
I think Khamari should go first.
You can
Just
like,
he hasn't tried hummus before.
Oh yeah. Okay.
so yeah, like you can eat as much bread as you
It
like,
looks so pretty.
and then
Mess it up.
you can just go in there,
Just go in there.
and like fold it like
Fold
this. There you go.
Okay.
And then
It's not bad.
Khamari's always unimpressed.
it's different, right?
Do you all put like spices in there too to like give it like a kick if you want to?
You
Yeah.
could put cumin.
Mhm.
Usually we just put
I'm
salt.
medicinal.
You could put more garlic if you really like garlic.
Okay. Once it like sits in, I'm tasting everything. So
Yeah, you might have gotten overwhelmed with the olive oil.
the olive oil, yeah, that was what I
We
did.
smother it with olive
Yeah.
oil.
Yeah, you gotta get the hummus.
We're good in there, right?
Because that's what I really tasted. Good. I tasted
Use olive
the
oil.
lemon a little bit too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's just-
It's kind of sweet.
Ooh.
It's a little sweet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it?
I can see why you would like this with cucumber. Bree said earlier
Or
that she would
cucumber,
like it
yeah.
with cucumber because it like reminds them of like eating with chips or something like that.
Yeah, so I was reading some articles. A lot of people who love chips, but they want to wean off of chips. Instead of chips and sauce, they'll use cucumbers and hummus just to get that feeling of the crunch, because it's just a mental thing. But
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't taste like chips, but it's a
You
good
can definitely
substitute.
do that too,
I
yeah.
think I would like it if it had like more of a kick. I like spicy
You like
stuff.
spicy, yeah.
Yeah.
I think I would like it if it had like more of a kick. You put some cayenne pepper or something like in there. I think I could do that.
You would probably
Roasted
like,
pepper.
yeah, you probably, because I
Roasted
have
pepper.
some roasted red pepper hummus. I use that to actually eat red peppers with it, or the cucumbers, or the chips.
Oh, it's good though.
Yeah.
I had it fresh. I didn't have it in a container from the store. I had my friend from Lebanon coming.
We flew her in private jet.
Private jet.
She's from here.
We only have the
best.
best. No, she's from Chicago.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for teaching us how to do hummus. We'll put the recipe descriptions or the recipe instructions in the description so you guys can make it at home. Tell us your thoughts and tell us what you would eat hummus with.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Make sure you subscribe. Oh, you said thanks already? Damn.
I mean, you can still
I'm gonna-
tell them to subscribe. Go ahead.
Make sure you subscribe on YouTube and like